You're welcome to PSLE Max. Let's look at a question asked by a subscriber from Temasek Primary 2020 Prelims paper. This is question number 17. Zoe baked some chocolate cookies and gave half of them to Mabel. Mabel baked some butter cookies and gave half of them to Zoe. Zoe ate 5 butter cookies, and the ratio of the number of chocolate cookies to the number of butter cookies she had left became 4:1. Mabel ate 3 chocolate cookies, and the ratio of the number of chocolate cookies she had left to the number of butter cookies became 3:1. Part A of the question is, were there more chocolate cookies or butter cookies at first? Zoe gave half of her chocolate cookies, which means both of them had equal number of chocolate cookies, and Mabel gave half of her butter cookies, which means both of them had equal number of butter cookies. So even after eating 3 chocolate cookies, Mabel had more number of chocolate cookies than butter cookies. That means there were more chocolate cookies to start with. Part B of the question is, how many chocolate cookies did Zoe bake? So we'll do this problem in 2 methods. The first method, let's draw a model. Zoe and Mabel had equal number of chocolate cookies to start with. And they also had equal number of butter cookies, which was made by Mabel. Zoe ate 5 butter cookies, and let's say she was left with 1 unit of butter cookies. She had chocolate cookies 4 times as the number of butter cookies left, so the number of chocolate cookies was 4 units. Mabel had equal number of butter cookies as Zoe before eating her 5 cookies, so her number of butter cookies is 1 unit plus 5. She ate 3 chocolate cookies, so the rest of the chocolate cookies was 3 times the number of butter cookies she had. That's 3 times of 1 unit plus 5 is 3 units plus 15. Now the number of chocolate cookies Zoe had at first is 4 units, and the number of chocolate cookies Mabel had at first is 3 units plus 15 plus 3, which is 3 units plus 18. From there we get the value of 1 unit to be equal to 18. The number of chocolate cookies baked by Zoe, what she has now is 4 units, and what she gave Mabel is another 4 units. So that's a total of 8 units, which is equal to 8 times 18 equal to 144 chocolate cookies. That answers part B of the question. If you can draw the model, this problem is a very easy one and gives a straightforward answer. If you have trouble visualizing the model, let's do the same problem in a different method. Let's chart down Zoe and Mabel. After having their cookies, the number of chocolate cookies to butter cookies what Zoe had was 4:1, and for Mabel was 3:1. So after having their cookies, let's say Zoe had 4C number of chocolate cookies. Her corresponding number of butter cookies should be 1C. Similarly, if Mabel had 1B butter cookies, she would have had 3B number of chocolate cookies. So this is after they had their cookies. So before Zoe ate her 5 butter cookies, she would have had 1C plus 5 butter cookies. And Mabel, before she ate her 3 chocolate cookies, she would have had 3B plus 3 number of chocolate cookies. But both of them had the same number of butter cookies to start with. So 1B is equal to 1C plus 5. Similarly, both of them had the same number of chocolate cookies. So 4C is equal to 3B plus 3. So in the second statement, let's substitute the value of B to be 1C plus 5. So that becomes 3 times 1C plus 5 plus 3. 3 times 1C is 3C plus 3 times 5 is 15 plus 3, which is equal to 3C plus 18. So here again we have got 4C is equal to 3C plus 18. We get the value of 1C to be equal to 18. The number of chocolate cookies Zoe baked at first is 8C, out of which half she gave to Mabel. So 8C is equal to 8 times 18 is equal to 144 chocolate cookies. Hope you liked this video. Please subscribe to this channel for more problem sums. If you have a specific question that you would like to see a video on, please post it in the comment section. Thank you.